guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janelle, and this week I am going to show you how to make this DIY ugly sweater. What I love about this DIY is this ugly sweater only takes about 5 minutes to make, and it does not wreck your sweater, so you could use a sweater that you already own, one that you love, that is comfortable, not itchy. You don't have to go to a thrift store. You don't have to do anything. You can just make this DIY and then take everything off after, and you can go back to your regular sweater. So for this DIY, before we get into it, all you're going to need is some ribbon, obviously, a sweater, and some safety pins. Let's just jump right into it and let's get started on this DIY ugly bow Christmas sweater.
For this DIY, you're going to need a sweater. Don't mind the marks on mine. I just steamed it, which is why it looks a little wet. Some ribbon and some safety pins. You want to start by folding over your ribbon in the top collar of the top of your sweater and pinning it down at the top. And then you want to repeat the same process at the bottom. So just cut a piece of ribbon that is the desired length and then pin it. And I found the best way this worked was pinning it as close as you can to the edge, just so it kept much straighter line. And then you want to repeat on the other side. And I just did a measurement of right under the arm for the sleeve, just so I could keep more of a straight line and just have a better measurement without having to do a ruler and all this extra work, because this is supposed to be a simple, easy 5-minute ugly sweater tutorial. So just repeat the same process going left to right on your sweater. Last but not least, we are going to create a bow. And if you struggle with this, you're not the only one. For some reason, I could not get this created for a little while, maybe because of the thickness of the ribbon, but just keep going until you get it, and then just pull the strings down till you get the desired look of your bow. And then you guessed it, we are going to pin this to our sweater right in the middle. So use a safety pin and stick that on the middle, and there you have it. Well, actually, you might want to cut off any excess ribbon that you have just hanging off right here. And then you have an ugly sweater that is not going to ruin any sweater that you have. So you can just unpin it when you're done and then go back to your regular sweater.
I hope you guys like that DIY. Let me know in the comments below your favorite ugly Christmas sweater, because I want to see them for the holidays, as well as I have another one that I made last year. So I'm going to link that below, and it will be at the end of the video as well. So make sure you check that out if you want to see another version of an ugly Christmas sweater. The other one takes a little bit more time, but it's pretty good. You want to go check that out. As always, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as I'm back every week with more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.